So, good afternoon, everyone. You can do better than that. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Thank you. There we go. It's a pleasure to be here, and welcome to the kickoff of the academic year for the College of Dental Medicine. It's wonderful to be here together with all of you, especially our students, our faculty, our staff professionals, our postdocs as we begin a new year, and our friends and colleagues from the Medical Center. So thank you all. I'd like to take a moment to recognize how far we've come as we're building on a long and proud history of excellence in dental education and research and patient care. So as we begin the new academic year, it's important to reaffirm that bringing us together as a community is our shared mission and our values. Our mission is very clear and powerful: to engage in high-quality education, patient care, research, service, and improvement of oral health of the diverse communities that we serve. This mission isn't just a statement, it's really our commitment. It serves as our North Star as an organization, and you will hear it from me over and over again. It shows up in how we teach our students. It shows up in how we treat our patients, how we innovate, and how we serve communities both locally and globally. During our recent accreditation, this mission and the way we live it every day was affirmed, and we are grateful for that. That's something we should all be extraordinarily proud of. Accreditation is never easy, but our community came together and showed what we stand for, and more importantly, demonstrated the excellence that defines us. As we reflect on our mission and values, the foundation of who we are, it's important to recognize that our greatest strength is you. It's our people. The commitment to excellence in education, in care, in research, and in service doesn't live on paper. It lives through each and every one of you and how you manifest yourselves on a daily basis. So before we look ahead to what's next, I'd like to take a moment to celebrate our community, to welcome those who've just joined us, and to recognize the accomplishments and milestones of those communities who continue to shape this place every single day. This summer, we celebrated a major milestone with our D3 students becoming new clinicians. Congratulations to them. This ceremony is a powerful one. It's a reminder of the journey from the classroom to the clinic, and it's the responsibility and privilege of caring for patients that they will now take on. In August, we welcomed our D1 students at the White Coat ceremony, and it's always been a meaningful event. At that particular moment, putting on the white coat for the very first time represents the beginning of a lifelong journey in dentistry, and it reflects our commitment to professionalism and to care. I want to extend a huge congratulations to our newly elected student leaders. Your voices are essential. Your leadership will shape this coming academic year and years to come. So I look forward to working with you and seeing the impact that you're going to have on the College of Dental Medicine. Congratulations. We also hosted our post-bac welcome reception this summer, bringing new scholars into our research and our clinical communities. These individuals are key to contributing to our academic mission, and we're thrilled to have them join us. Welcome. This year, we also welcomed 7 new faculty members across the College of Dental Medicine. Each of you brings expertise, perspective, and energy that enriches our community and helps us elevate our teaching, our research, and our patient care. Welcome to the CDM family. Let's also take a moment to recognize those who've been promoted and appointed to leadership roles. These achievements that you see on the screen reflect years of dedication, years of scholarship, and years of impact. So congratulations to each and every one of you. We also want to acknowledge our new staff professionals, the backbone of so much of what we do each and every day. You play a vital role in supporting our students, our faculty, our patients, and our programs. So we're so glad to have you join us here at the College of Dental Medicine. Welcome to the CDM family. So, I am extraordinarily proud to say that research is thriving at the College of Dental Medicine with groundbreaking work that spans clinical, translational, and basic science. In recent memory, this is the first time that any of us can remember 3 large NIH grants coming to CDM all in a 3-month period. From NIH grants to interdisciplinary studies, your work is not only advancing the field, it's also building bridges across schools and disciplines. Our research isn't just about discovery, it's actually about impact. So congratulations to Dr. Yiping Han for her $2.9 million grant, which will explore the microbial link to colorectal cancer. Congratulations to Dr. Chang Lee, who received a $3.8 million grant to advance TMJ organ-on-a-chip research. And congratulations to Dr. Millie Embry, who received a $4 million grant that will leverage the cartilage niche to treat osteoarthritis. You have all set a standard for the rest of us to aspire to. Congratulations. Although we had a brief 4 to 5 month scare earlier this year, we're happy to share that our DDS PhD dual degree program with engineering has been returned. We had committed ourselves to this grant regardless of whether it was held or not, so I am grateful that we got it back in this time. We're currently working on including a 3rd DDS PhD student into the fold. This remains a vital part of CDM's national appeal, as we remain the only dental school in the country collaborating with an engineering school on a program like this. And might I say, SEAS is a top 5 engineering school in the nation. The program is a powerful example of what happens when we think big, combining clinical training with advanced research to develop the next generation of innovative leaders. We're also really thrilled that our MS in Oral Sciences program has now received full approval from both Columbia University and the New York State Department of Education. Recruitment of our first class of new Masters of Science in Oral Sciences students is now underway, providing a rigorous foundation for careers in academics, public health organizations, research institutes, dentistry, as well as further education. While we're proud of all of these achievements, for me, today is really about community. It's about connection. It's about each and every one of you. On Saturday, many of us gathered for the Welcome Back Barbecue, and it reminded us that we're more than colleagues and more than classmates. We really are a CDM family. We value the time we spend together, we value the stories that we share with each other, and the support that we give to one another. So this year, I'm going to introduce something new, and to me it's personal. I'll be leading a small group tours throughout our clinic floors with our D1 students. These tours are about more than just orientation. They're a chance for our newest students to begin envisioning their future roles as clinicians at the College of Dental Medicine. It's also an opportunity for me to get to know the D1 students a little bit more individually, to hear their early impressions, and to introduce them to the people and spaces that define the clinical experience here at Columbia. And importantly, these moments give me a chance to see and to highlight the exceptional work being done on a daily basis by our faculty, our staff professionals, our residents, and our students that are delivering patient care. These small interactions are powerful. They build relationships, foster understanding, and connect to our mission, to the day-to-day reality of clinical life at CDM. It was such a delight to meet Cameron and Elizabeth tells me she goes by Liz, Lizzie, Beth, Lizbeth, or Elizabeth. And I remember it. Didn't think she would think I would. And to introduce our new Chief of Staff, Adina Barrios Brooks, to so many members of the CDM clinical community. It's no secret at all that this has been an extraordinarily difficult year for so many reasons. We've had change, we've had challenges, we've had transitions, we've had budget issues. They've all tested us. But if we're going to move forward together, we need to do it with care, transparency, and communication. Real community isn't just about being in the same building. It's about really listening to one another, supporting one another, and learning from each other. That's why we're creating more opportunities for future engagement. We'll begin that this fall. Town halls where you can ask questions, where you can share ideas, where you can hear updates, both at the university level, but also at the College of Dental Medicine and the Medical Center. And we're asking all of the employees, that's all faculty and staff professionals alike, to please complete the Columbia Employee Climate and Engagement Survey. You can scan the QR code right here. It's real easy, made it easy for you. It's going to matter. The survey closes next Friday, September 26th, and it's important that CDM is well represented. This data, this morning I saw the numbers. Unfortunately, we're not doing so well so far, so hopefully we will change that. We want our voices heard around this university. The data from this will be combined with recent student surveys, focus groups, and informal conversations. Will inform our priorities and everything that we do going forward. Your voice matters. Your experience matters. And together, we can shape a stronger, more connected College of Dental Medicine. So, with that, I want to thank you for being here. I want to thank you for all that you do. To me, this year is full of promise, especially because the road forward for us will occur together. So from my perspective, onward and upward for the College of Dental Medicine family. Thank you.